भगवते वासुदेवाय वन्देऽहं श्रीगुरो श्रीयुता पदकमलम्. So long one shall remain in the bodily concept of life, his illusion will increase. It will never decrease. Therefore, the first instruction of Krishna to Arjuna, because if Arjuna would not have been in that position of illusion, that I am this body, and the other side, my brother, my grandfather, my nephew, they are all my relations. How can I kill? This is illusion. Therefore, to dissipate this illusion, darkness, Krishna begins the first lesson that you are not this body. Dehinasmin yathadi kaumarajo tatha dehantaram prapti. You have to change this body as you have already changed. You have already changed. You are a baby, you change your body to child, you change your body to bio, you change your body to youth, you change your body to old man. Now, after changing the body, as you have already changed so many times, similarly, there is another change. You have to accept another body. Very simple logic. You have already changed. So, tatha dehantaram prapti dhirastatra. Because there is the bodily concept of life, and this body. And the body has no change. Body is changing, is seeing actually in this life. Still, you will not believe that after changing this body, I will get another body. It is very logical. Dehinasmin yatha dehi kaumarajo tatha dehantaram prapti. Exactly in the same way, as I have changed so many times this body, I will have to change. Therefore, one who is intelligent, he should try to understand that what kind of body I am going to get next. That is it. But that is also explained in the Bhagavad Gita. What kind of body you can get. Janti deva prata devan, pitrim janti pitrim prata, bhute janti bhutan, manjarino bhi janti ma. If you want to go to the higher planetary system, where demigods live, for hundreds and thousands and millions of years, just like Brahma. Brahma in one day cannot calculate. So in higher planetary system, you have got thousands and thousands of better facility for sense gratification and duration of life, everything. Otherwise, why the Kurmis, they want to go to the heavenly planet? So, Janti Deva Pradar Deva. So if you try to go to the higher planetary system, you can go. There is process. Just like for going to the moon planet, one must be very expert in the karma kanda, creative activity. By karma kanda, you get by the resultant action of the pious activity, you can be promoted to the moon planet. That is mentioned in the Srimad Bhagavatam. But you cannot enter moon planet by this process. By force you shall go with this aeroplane and jets and footbridge. Suppose if I have got a nice motor car in America, if I want to enter in another country, more simply, Is it possible? No. You must get the passport, visa, you must get sanction from the government, then you can. Not because that you have got a very good car, you will. So we cannot by force. This is foolish attempt, childish attempt. They cannot go. Therefore nowadays they stop, they do not speak. They are realizing their failure. In this way cannot. So, but there is possibility you can go if you adopt the real process, you can be promoted. Similarly, you can go to the Pitri Loka by offering Sardha and Pinda, you can go to the Pitri Loka. Similarly, you can remain in this Loka, Bhutevya. Similarly, you can go back to home.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna,